Hello students. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on drugs containing glycosides, a topic of pharmacognosy, and today we will be discussing two drugs, namely digitalis and licorice. So first we start with the licorice. Okay, first we start with the digitalis because digitalis is important drug from examination point of view. So first we start with the digitalis. Synonym: it's foxglove leaf. Biological source: digitalis consists of the dried leaves of Digitalis purpurea, belonging to family Scrophulariaceae. After collection of the leaves, they are dried immediately at a temperature below 60 degrees centigrade, and leaves should contain moisture not more than 5%. Geographical source: it is cultivated in England, Germany, France, USA, and India. In India, it is cultivated in Kashmir. Macroscopic characters of the leaf. Color: upper surface of the leaf is deep grey and greyish. Odor is characteristic. Taste is bitter. Shape: ovate lanceolate to broadly ovate. Size: 10 to 30 centimeter in length, 4 to 10 centimeter in width. Margin: crenate to dentate, and apex is obtuse or somewhat rounded. Chemical constituent of the drug. The drug contains 0.2 to 0.45 percentage mixture of both primary and secondary cardiac glycosides. Purpurea glycoside A, purpurea glycoside B, and glucogitaloxine are the primary glycosides, and these are non-hydrolyzed glycosides, and all possess a C3 of the A glycon, a linear chain of 3 digitoxos sugar moieties terminated by the glucose. The secondary glycosides present are digitoxin, G-toxin, and G-taloxine. These primary glycosides are less absorbed and less stable as compared to the secondary glycosides. Other glycosides present in the drug are odoroside H, viridoxine, and glucoviridoxine. If the enzymatic hydrolysis of purpurea glycoside A is done, then it yields digitoxin plus glucose. And again the enzymatic hydrolysis of the digitoxin and glucose is done, then it yields digitoxygenine and 3 molecules of digitoxos. If the enzymatic hydrolysis of purpurea glycoside B is done, then it yields G-toxin and glucose. And again the hydrolysis is done, it yields G-toxygenine plus 3 molecules of digitoxos. Except this, the drug also contains 2 saponin glycosides, namely digitonin and G-tonin. Approximately the drug contains 30 glycosides. Now chemical test of the drug. The most important test is Keller-Killiani's test. In this test, 1 gram of the powdered drug is taken and it is boiled with 10 ml of the 70% of alcohol for 2 minutes. Extract is filtered. To the filtrate, add 5 ml of water and 0.5 ml of strong solution of lead acetate. Shake it and separate the filtrate. The filtrate obtained is mixed with equal volume of chloroform and it is evaporated to get extract. This extract is dissolved in glacial acetic acid and it is cooled, and then 2 drops of ferric chloride solutions are added. These contents are transferred to a test tube containing 2 ml of the concentrated sulfuric acid. A reddish brown color appears at the junction of 2 liquids, and on standing it changes to bluish green color due to the presence of digitoxins. So this was the Keller-Killiani test, and it's an important test. Second test is legal test. The extract of the drug is taken and it is dissolved in pyridine and sodium nitroprusside solution is added. A pink red color is produced. Third test is Bulgate test. In this, a thick section of the digitalis leaf is taken and sodium picrate solution is added. A yellow-orange color is seen which confirms the presence of glycosides. Now the uses of drugs. Digitalis is used in the treatment of congestive heart failure. Digitalis increases the activity of cardiac muscles. The contraction of heart ventricles increases, the arterial blood pressure increases, and frequency of heart is normalized. So therefore, it is used in the treatment of congestive heart failure, atrial flutter, and atrial fibrillation. Digitalis also possess diuretic effect. Digitalis and its glycosides has a cumulative effect in the body, so therefore they are slowly eliminated from the body. So therefore, the digitalis should be taken under the strict medical supervision. Now next drug is licorice. Synonym. Synonym is glycyrrhiza. In Hindi we call it as molatti. Biological source. Licorice consists of peeled or unpeeled roots and stolons of Glycyrrhiza glabra belonging to family Leguminosae. Indian Pharmacopoeia specifies that the drug should contain not less than 20% weight by weight of water soluble extract. There are other varieties of the licorice available like Spanish licorice, Russian licorice, and Persian licorice. Now the macroscopic character of the licorice. Color. Peeled licorice is pale yellow in color. Unpeeled licorice is yellowish brown externally and internally it is yellowish in color. Odor is faint and characteristic. Taste is sweet. Shape. Peeled pieces are angular, whereas unpeeled pieces are straight or somewhat cylindrical. Size. About 20 cm in length and 1 to 2 cm in diameter. Chemical constituents of the drug. Licorice consists of triterpenoid saponin known as glycyrrhizine, 5 to 7%. Glycyrrhizine is a sweet principle and is a mixture of potassium and calcium salts of glycyrrhizinic acid. This glycerinic acid is a glycoside which on hydrolysis yields glycerinic acid and two molecules of glucouronic acid. The Persian and Russian varieties contains the highest percentage of glycerine. Except this, the drug also contains glucose, sucrose, starch, fat, raisins, and an acrid bitter principle called as asparagine, 1%. Two flavonoids compounds are present, namely liquiditine and isoliquiditine. And the yellow color of the drug is due to the chalcone glycoside isoliquidity. Now the chemical test. Take the powder of the drug and it is treated with 80% of sulfuric acid. It produces yellow color. This yellow color is due to the change of flavone glycoside liquiditine to chalcone glycoside isoliquidity. Uses. Glycerigia is well-known sweetening agent and it is used to mask the taste of the bitter drugs like aloes, quinine, ammonium chloride, etc. Licorice is also used as expectorant and demulcent. It is used in the treatment of cough mixtures and as flavoring agent in the formulation of nauseous drugs like quinine and cascara. It is also used as flavoring agent in the chewing tobaccos and snuff tobaccos. Glycerinic acid possess anti-inflammatory property. Therefore, it is used in healing the stomach and intestinal ulcers like peptic ulcers. Licorice increases the blood sodium level and decreases the blood potassium level. It is also used in the treatment of Addison disease. Glycyrrhizin is also able to reduce the blood cholesterol level. Glycyrrhizin is also used in the treatment of respiratory tract infections like cough, harshness of chest, and asthma. Okay, thanks. Take care.